COMAX, keep on improving. Product promotion. DTF transfer film. Today I will introduce you our DTF transfer film. This is the product photo. This is the packaging. First, let's see the product overview. As you know, DTF printing technology is very new. Sometimes you even confuse it with the DTG. Actually, you see here, DTF comes from the initials for direct transfer to film. It is a variant technique of transfer. In reality, a desktop inkjet printer is used that incorporates the channel for white ink equipped with a special pigment ink for DTF. Let's see the product feature. Our DTF transfer film offers high ink absorption, fast drying, and very easy peeling, both in cold and hot temperatures after heat pressed. Here you will see the product structure. We have two kinds of. One is a single side, another is a double side. This is different. Now let's take a quick look at the technical data sheet. This one is transparent, 100% PET. Our product has a certificate by Architects Stand 100 and a product test report by CTI. This is the application. This is the workflow. Print, powder, dry, transfer. Used for hat, t-shirt, bag. This is the recommended transfer temperature, transfer time. Here you will see the storage conditions, the package conditions. Please take a look at here, the HS code. Sometimes it's easy for you to check your tariff. And there you will find the production site, videos, photos. Any inquiries, please contact us. Our contact information is here. Thank you so much. Okay, bye.